The key fob for 2019-2022 Toyota Corolla models, including hatchbacks, uses a CR2032 battery. When the battery dies, you'll notice reduced range or the fob becomes unresponsive. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Locate the small notch on the fob's edge. Gently pry it open, being careful not to crack the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. It's usually positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation. Snap the fob back together and test if it is working. Remember to properly dispose of the old lithium battery. Always ensure the battery is correctly aligned to avoid damaging the fob circuit. Misalignment can lead to costly repairs. Many owners have saved money by doing this themselves. Be aware of aftermarket rechargeable battery kits for longer life. Experts recommend CR2032 batteries for reliability. While traditional batteries are still standard for these Corolla models, the trend is shifting towards longer-lasting, sustainable power sources like rechargeable or energy harvesting technology in newer vehicles. Also be aware that if you buy a new key fob that isn't already programmed for the car, then you will need to take it to a dealer to be programmed.